Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mampe, your favorite life sciences teacher. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. If there's any topic you want me to discuss, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I really appreciate your support. Today we are going to learn about crossing over chromosomes and it's important. Now, a chromosome is basically a structure that carries different genes that codes for a different characteristic. So the genes are in the form of a DNA and also a protein, and we also have the structure or a diagram that has a set of human chromosomes and it's called a karyotype. So from our chromosomes, a normal human being has 46 chromosomes, 23 from the mother, 23 from the father, and together they make 46 chromosomes. However, from the 46 chromosomes, we are going to have two pairs which represent the sex chromosomes, and the sex chromosomes are actually called gonosomes, whereas the body chromosomes are called the autosomes. So the autosomes are the chromosomes which are not related to sex, and when we talk about sex, we are actually referring to gender, if whether the person is a boy or rather a girl. Now, this structure here represents a chromosome. I'm going to tell you how it's made. So now you know the importance of it. The importance of it is to carry the genetic material from the DNA and the proteins. Now, a chromosome is made up of two sister chromatids. So this is a chromatid, this is also a chromatid, and then we also have these things, they are called telomeres. Telomere. I'm not sure about the spelling. So we also have this one here, it's called a telomere. So basically it has a continuous sequence of DNA or a repetition sequence of a DNA. So now these two chromatids are joined together by a centromere. So these two chromatids are joined together by a centromere. A centromere is more like a glue, it's the one that holds the two chromatids together to make a chromosome. So if it happens that you have another chromosome that looks similar to this one and they are aligned together, you are going to call them homologous chromosome because they are the same and they are two. So homo means the same. And we also have what we call crossing over. Crossing over is a process whereby the chromatids of homologous chromosome overlap each other. Overlapping is more like crossing over. So they overlap each other with the aim to exchange genetic material. So the main aim for crossing over is to exchange genetic material. And remember, crossing over happens during prophase in the cell division. So what happens is we may have a chromosome from the mother and also a chromosome from the father which code for the certain characteristics, and when they overlap they kind of exchange genetic material. So this is the process. This diagram illustrates the process of crossing over. So we have two homologous chromosomes. So these chromatids, they overlap. When they overlap, we also have a point that's more like a centromere, but because it's crossing over, this point is going to be called a chiasma or chiasmata, depending on how you want to use it. This is a chiasma or rather a chiasmata, and this is a centromere. This is also our centromere. Do not forget the chromatids that we have. So homologous chromosomes have 4 chromatids, 2 chromatids for this one and 2 chromatids for this one. Now, to know if crossing over took place, if they ask you what makes you sure that crossing over took place during this process, you will see by 2 chromosomes which has the characteristics of the other, like one has the characteristics of the other. If you look at this chromosome, you can see the similar structure of this chromosome. If you look at this chromosome, you can also see the similar structure of this chromosome. So it is a proof that crossing over took place. If they ask you the importance of the process that happens during prophase, then you know it's crossing over. The main aim for crossing over is to exchange genetic material, and that is your chromosome, and also that is your crossing over. So now I want to do a summary for you. A chromosome is made up of two chromatids. The two chromatids are held together by a centromere. So two similar chromosomes are called homologous chromosome. Now during prophase, the chromatids of two homologous chromosomes are going to overlap. When they overlap, they exchange genetic material. The point of overlapping is called chiasma or chiasmata. The main aim to have chromosomes is to carry genetic code or genetic material from the parents to the offspring. I hope it makes sense. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.